أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم الحمد لله والصلاة والسلام على نبينا وسيدنا وحبيبنا وشفيعنا محمد وعلى آله وصحبه وسلم تسليما كثيرا. أحبتي في الله، أحييكم بتحية الإسلام. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. Is it permissible in Sharia, in Islamic law, to keep excess compensation money that you received from an Islamic insurance company? Let me put it this way for clarity. Let's say Islamic insurance company paid you an amount to repair your car due to an accident, and you had some money left after repairing your car. So is it permissible for you to benefit from the remaining amount that you received from the Islamic insurance company? For example, Islamic insurance company paid you let's say $100, and the spare parts or repairing your car cost you only $70. Islamic insurance company paid you $100 to repair your car, and the spare parts or the repairing your car cost you only $70. So remaining $30 out of $100, isn't it? So the question is it permissible for you to benefit from the remaining $30 for other things? I think the question is clear. Dear brother, dear sister in Islam, before answering the question, let me briefly explain that there are two types of insurance companies, or two types of insurance system. The first one is the conventional insurance system, which is not compatible with the Islamic law. It's non-Sharia compliant system, according to the majority of the Muslim scholars. Therefore, it is not permissible in Sharia because it relies on interest-based transactions, what we call riba, and contains elements of uncertainty, what we call gharar, as well as gambling, what we call maisir, and other things. My brother, my sister, unless you are obliged by law of the land to insure your car, and you don't have any alternative, you are living in a place where there is no Islamic insurance company, therefore you are obliged to insure your car. Therefore there is no issue that you have to do it because you are forced to do that. The second system is the Islamic insurance system known as takaful or at-ta'min at-ta'awuni cooperative insurance. My brother, my sister in Islam, this is permissible, this is halal, because it is based on mutual assistance and a donation, what we call tabarru', where participants contribute to a shared or to a common fund to cover losses, rather than a conventional, say, purchase agreement. Means in conventional, you purchase the insurance, while in Islamic insurance system, you donate. Whatever premium that you paid or you gave is a donation based on وَتَعَاوَنُوا عَلَى الْبِرِّ وَالتَّقْوَى, help one another in goodness. So in conventional, you purchase the insurance, while in Islamic insurance, you donate. Whatever premium that you gave to the insurance company is considered as donation, tabarru'an. That is the difference. Inshallah, we will find an opportunity to explain this in detail. So let's go back to the question. Is it permissible in Islamic law, in Sharia, to keep excess paid money, excess paid compensation from the Islamic insurance company that you received? The answer is yes. If you are not at fault in the accident, you are not the cause of the accident. Therefore, it is permissible in Sharia to keep the excess accident claim, accident compensation money that you receive from Islamic insurance company. So the answer is yes, if you are not the one who caused the accident. If that is the case, you are allowed to keep the excess compensation money that you received from the Islamic insurance company. Let me put it in a different way. If you are not at fault for an accident and you receive a compensation payment from an Islamic insurance company, and the cost to repair your vehicle, your car, or other damages is less than what you receive, from the Sharia perspective, you are permitted to keep the excess money that you received from the Islamic insurance company. This is not considered as haram, as prohibited amount, but a legitimate return from the collective contributions or donations within the Islamic insurance system, or within the what we call takaful system. Means the excess compensation in this scenario is not considered a prohibited, it's not considered haram element, but rather a legitimate benefit from the cooperative contribution of the participants or the fund members. I hope it's clear. So let us summarize it. One, if the excess amount that you received from the Islamic insurance company is due to buying, let's say, non-original spare parts, there is no problem, inshallah, that you can benefit from the remaining amount. Let's say you have, or you involved in an accident which you are not the cause of that accident, and Islamic insurance company give you $100 to buy some spare parts and repair the damage. Then you decided to buy, non-original parts. Instead of using the $100 to buy the original spare parts, you went and bought, let's say, spend $50 for the spare parts. No problem at all. You can do that. You can spend the $50 and put the other $50 in your pocket. Number two, if the excess amount that you receive from the Islamic insurance company is due to workshops manipulating prices based on lies and giving unrealistic repair price, they exaggerate. Let's say the repair will cost you just only we said $200, and they put it $500. In this situation, scholars are of the view that you have to return that excess amount, which is based on lies. But listen to this carefully. Unless the excess amount that you received equals the difference between the car's condition before and after the accident. Let's say your car before the accident cost, if let's say you want to sell it, you may sell it $1,000, and due to the accident, the price reduced to $500. So scholars are of the view that if the excess amount that you received equals the difference between the car's condition before the accident and after the accident, then you can keep the excess money. You can keep the excess money. I hope this is clear. May Allah Ta'ala bless us. May Allah Ta'ala make us among the pious. هذا وصلى الله على سيدنا محمد وعلى آله وصحبه وسلم تسليما كثيرا والحمد لله رب العالمين.